Our world is more connected than ever. We use computers, smartphones, and tablets for almost everything. This constant connection brings convenience, but it also brings risks. Cybercriminals are always looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities. They want to steal data and money. Protecting yourself and your devices is crucial. Think about how much you rely on technology. You use it for banking, shopping, and communicating. Now imagine losing access to your accounts. Think about someone stealing your identity. These are real threats in the digital age. Staying informed is the first step to protecting yourself. By understanding the risks, you can take steps to mitigate them. Remember, cybersecurity is not just about technical know-how. It's about being aware and practicing safe habits online. Phishing attacks are one of the most common cyber threats. They are designed to deceive and manipulate you into revealing sensitive information. These attacks use deceptive emails, text messages, or websites. They often appear to be from trusted sources, making it difficult to distinguish between real and fake communications. They trick you into giving up sensitive information. This could be anything from your login credentials to your financial details. This information could include your passwords, credit card details, or social security number. Once obtained, this data can be used for identity theft or financial fraud. Phishers often pose as legitimate organizations. They might use logos and language that closely mimic those of real companies. You might get an email that looks like it's from your bank. It could be very convincing with official-looking logos and email addresses. It might ask you to click a link to update your account information. This link will often lead to a fake website designed to capture your details. If you click the link, you'll be taken to a fake website. This site will look almost identical to the real one, making it hard to spot the difference. It will look real, but it's designed to steal your information. The URL might be slightly different, or there could be subtle design flaws. Always be wary of unsolicited emails or messages. If something feels off, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Be suspicious of emails asking for personal information. Legitimate organizations rarely ask for sensitive information via email. Look for signs of a phishing attempt. Common indicators include misspellings, grammatical errors, and generic greetings. These include misspellings, grammatical errors, and suspicious sender addresses. Always double-check the sender's email address for any inconsistencies. If you're unsure about an email or message, it's best to contact the organization directly. Use a phone number or email address from their official website. Use their official contact information. Never use the contact details provided in the suspicious message, as they could be fake. Don't use the information provided in the suspicious message. Instead, delete the email and report it to your email provider or IT department. Malware and ransomware are malicious software programs. They can infect your devices and cause serious damage. Malware can steal your data, spy on your activity, and even control your device remotely. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your files and demands a ransom. It encrypts your data, making it inaccessible. The attackers then demand payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to unlock your files. You can get malware in several ways. Clicking on malicious links, opening infected attachments, or downloading software from untrusted sources are common methods. To protect yourself, install a reputable antivirus and anti-malware software. Keep your operating system and software updated. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities. Avoid downloading software from unknown websites. Data breaches occur when cybercriminals gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. This information could include names, addresses, passwords, credit card numbers, and social security numbers. Companies and organizations store vast amounts of data. This makes them prime targets for cybercriminals. When a data breach occurs, your personal information could be compromised. This can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and other serious consequences. While you can't prevent data breaches entirely, you can take steps to minimize the risk. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security. Be cautious about the information you share online. Regularly monitor your bank and credit card statements. Report any suspicious activity immediately. Consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze on your credit reports. Wi-Fi security, public versus private. Wi-Fi networks are a convenient way to connect to the internet. But not all Wi-Fi networks are created equal. Public Wi-Fi networks, often found in coffee shops, airports, and hotels, are generally less secure than private networks. Public Wi-Fi networks often lack strong security measures. This makes it easier for hackers to intercept your internet traffic. They could potentially steal your passwords, credit card details, and other sensitive information. When using public Wi-Fi, avoid accessing sensitive accounts like banking or shopping websites. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN. For your home network, make sure it's secured with a strong password. Use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for the best security. These measures help protect your internet traffic from unauthorized access. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Strong, unique passwords are crucial for protecting your online accounts. They act as the first line of defense against unauthorized access. A strong password is at least 12 characters long. The longer your password, the harder it is for hackers to crack it. It includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes it significantly more difficult for attackers to guess. Using the same password for multiple accounts is risky. If one account is compromised, all your accounts using that password are vulnerable. Hackers often try the same password on different sites once they have it. This can lead to a domino effect of compromised accounts. Create a unique password for each of your online accounts. This way, even if one password is stolen, your other accounts remain secure. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires not just your password but also a second form of identification. With 2FA enabled, you'll need to provide two forms of identification to log in. This typically involves entering a code from your smartphone or email in addition to your password. This additional step ensures that even if someone has your password, they still can't access your account without the second form of verification. Many online services offer 2FA. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your account security. Enable it on all your important accounts such as email, banking, and social media. This will provide an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts. By combining strong passwords with 2FA, you significantly reduce the risk of your accounts being compromised. Software updates and security software. Regular software updates are crucial for maintaining the security of your devices. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Set your devices to automatically download and install updates whenever possible. This ensures that you have the latest security enhancements. In addition to keeping your software up to date, install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software. This software helps protect your devices from various threats. It can detect and remove malware, block phishing attempts, and alert you to suspicious websites. Choose security software from a trusted provider. Keep it updated to ensure it's effective against the latest threats. Regularly scan your devices for malware to stay protected. Safe online practices. Practicing safe online habits is essential for protecting yourself from cyber threats. Be cautious about the links you click and the attachments you open. Avoid clicking on links from unknown senders or suspicious websites. When browsing the internet, pay attention to the website address. Secure websites use HTTPS, which encrypts your connection. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar to verify that a website is secure. Be mindful of the information you share online. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as your home address, phone number, or financial details on public platforms or with unknown individuals. When shopping online, use reputable websites. Check for secure checkout processes and look for customer reviews before making a purchase. Protecting your privacy online. In today's digital age, protecting your privacy online is more important than ever. With the increasing amount of personal data being shared and stored online, it's crucial to take steps to safeguard your information. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, is a great way to encrypt your internet connection. A VPN not only hides your IP address but also ensures that your online activities remain private and secure. This is especially important when using public Wi-Fi. Public networks are often less secure, making it easier for cybercriminals to access your data. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. This tunnel encrypts your data, ensuring that any information you send or receive is protected from prying eyes. It masks your IP address and encrypts your data, making it difficult for hackers to intercept your information. This added layer of security is essential for maintaining your privacy online. Be mindful of the permissions you grant to apps on your devices. Many apps request access to personal information that they don't necessarily need. Review app permissions regularly and revoke access to any unnecessary data. This helps to minimize the risk of your personal information being misused. Limit the amount of personal information you share on social media. Oversharing can make you vulnerable to identity theft and other privacy breaches. Regularly review your privacy settings on social media platforms. These settings allow you to control who can see your posts and personal information. Adjust them to control who can see your posts and personal information. This can help protect you from unwanted attention and potential threats. Remember, protecting your tech and personal information requires ongoing vigilance and effort. Stay informed about the latest security practices and threats. By following these tips and staying informed about the latest threats, you can navigate the digital world more safely and securely. Your privacy is in your hands, so take the necessary steps to protect it.